Hello everyone, we are from Group 3. For our static project, we choose CCTV, closed circuit television, also known as surveillance cameras. A CCTV camera system makes use of video camera that transmits signals to recording devices or monitors. It is commonly used for surveillance and security in various places such as public places and homes to help deter crime, monitor activities, and provide evidence in legal matters in this modern era. We choose CCTV because it is related to statics. All the forces acting on the CCTV camera is a static force because it does not have size and position. Plus, this structure also does not relate to dynamics since it did not have any motion. Since in this situation the acceleration is zero, time does not affect the static force. However, moments affect the static force because they are responsible for creating rotational equilibrium. Here in this project, we want to evaluate the forces and moments on the CCTV camera. When computing equilibrium, we use the fundamental calculations of the basics of statics, including free body diagram, rigid body equilibrium, centroid, and center of gravity.
As the figure above, you can see we already draw the free body diagram of the CCTV without including the objects that attach to it. So there's three unknown forces. The first force is resulting from a pin support, which is AX and AY. Then we got another force, which is BX. So these three forces can be defined using the three equation of equilibrium, which is Fx is equal to 0, Fy is equal to 0, and moment is equal to 0. We also can see there's the measurements and also the weight, which can use for the calculation of centroid. After free body diagram, we can proceed on into the rigid body equilibrium and also the rigid body calculation.
This is rigid body diagram. From the diagram, we can see that there is a pin support at point A, so we have the AS and AY force. At point B, it only stick on the wall, not have any support, so only have BS force. And we have one force, which is the weight of the CCTV. Now we need to find AS, AY, and BS. First, we calculate the weight of CCTV by using the mass of CCTV, which is 4 kg times by gravity, which is 9.81, so we can get the weight of CCTV is 39.24 Newton. Then we need to find BS by using the equation moment at point A. So moment at point A is equal to 0. So 0.3 BS minus 0.1 plus 0.15 bracket times with 39.24 equal to 0. From here, we can get the BS is 32.7 Newton. Then we can calculate the AS by using Fs equation. So summation of Fs equal to 0. AS plus BS equal to 0, and we substitute the BS, which is 32.7 Newton. So we can get AS is equal to negative 32.7 Newton, which equal to 32.7 Newton forced to the left side. Last, we can calculate the AY by using the equation of Fy. So summation of Fy is equal to 0. Negative AY minus W equal to 0. We substitute the W, which is 39.24, into the equation and get AY is equal to negative 39.24 Newton and equal to 39.24 Newton forced to the outside.
Now I'm going to present about the center and center of gravity for our group project, which is CCTV. Center of gravity is a point from which the weight of a body or a system may be considered as to act. It is important to know the center of gravity because it predicts the behavior of a moving body when acted on by gravity. So this is our labeling of each segment for our side view of our CCTV. This will make our process to calculation of the center of gravity and also the centroid makes more easier. So I have divided each segment, which are rectangle, parallelogram, semicircle, and also triangle. There are a total of 8 segments in our FBT. Okay, so for calculations, we have calculated the area for each segment, And also we have calculated the center of gravity which lies on x-axis and also the center of gravity which lies on y-axis. We also have calculated the area of segment which lies on x-axis and also y-axis. Okay, so we have calculated the summation of center of gravity which lies on x-axis and the summation of center of gravity which lies on y-axis, and we have calculated the summation of area which lies on x-axis and also y-axis, which is x-axis equals to 3.090 times 10 to the power of negative 3 meter cube, and also the center of gravity, area of center of gravity which lies on y-axis equals to 1.887 times 10 to the power of negative 2 meter cube. The total summation of area is 0.11002 meter square. So the centroid that we calculated from the formula, which is at x coordinate, we obtain 0.0308 meter, and for the y coordinate we obtain 0.1883 meter.
In conclusion, all the questions and queries were able to answer in the end of the project. We were able to find the weight of CCTV by assuming its mass 4 kg. Weight of CCTV is 39.24 Newton. Then all the forces were calculated by assuming that all the net forces and moments are equal to 0, where we could find AF equals to negative 32.7 Newton, AY equals to negative 39.24 Newton, and Bx equals to 32.7 Newton. Finally, in the centroid and center of gravity, we managed to calculate the x-coordinate of the centroid and y-coordinate of the centroid. So x-coordinate of centroid is 0.0308 meter and y-coordinate of centroid is 0.1883 meter. So that's all from us. Thank you.